If making your own wash, you'll need a small airtight container. I like to use Gerstley Borate in my washes as it helps the stains and oxide stick to the bisqueware. For oxides, a 1:1 ratio of Gerstley Borate to oxide works very well. For 3 teaspoons of Gerstley, I use 3 teaspoons of yellow ochre. Mix with a stiff brush the Gerstley and the colorant in some water. Once fully mixed, add a little more water. I like to add more water later so I don't accidentally spill the wash as I'm stirring. For mason stains, I'll use a 1:3 or 4 ratio of Gerstley to stain. So, 12-ish scoops of stain to 3 scoops of Gerstley Borate. Make sure to always stir, not shake your wash bottles. This gets particles off the walls and prevents a lot of bubbles. Apply washes on raw bisque or over glaze. I have a matte white glaze on the interior. For a more opaque color, use a fresh brush dip or go over your lines twice. Washes under glaze will appear more stable, while over glaze they will run with the glaze. See my tulipiers in the studio to check it out in person. Now that the washes are dry, carefully brush on 2 or 3 coats of glaze with a big fluffy brush, or dip your pot as you usually would.